See, we were discussing the electrostatic potential energy. What was the expression? U is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught इथं capital Q घेतलेलं Q naught divide into bracket 1 upon R1 1 upon R2 minus 1 upon R1. Okay. Electrostatic potential energy, which is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught. Q naught is unit positive charge. Q is the charge which produces electric field. R1 and R2 are the distances of the charge Q naught from Q. Okay, point number 1. Students, तुम्हाला काय पॉइंट सांगते? You know, तुमच्या एक्सप्रेशन वरून हे एक्सप्रेशन कडे ऑब्झर्व करा. U is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught 1 upon R2 minus 1 upon R1. R1 is a point at farther distance, R2 is a point at nearer distance. सांगायचं काय? You are observing that potential energy is inversely proportional to the distance. Means as the distance increases, potential energy decreases. Meaning as the distance of the charge, as the distance of the point from the charge increases, potential energy कमी कमी होत जाते. And at a distance infinity, the potential energy becomes zero. Okay, this is change in potential energy here. I'll repeat what I said. This is for two respective charges. Change in potential energy is inversely proportional to the distance. It's very clear from this. As the distance increases, potential energy कमी होत जाते. And at infinity, potential energy becomes zero. That's it. Therefore, मग कसं येणार? Delta U is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught divided by R2. Are you okay? Q naught divided by R2. Why? Because R1 is infinity. Anything upon infinity, I repeat, anything upon infinity is always 0. This is the actual expression. When we consider one point at infinity and the other point at a suitable distance from the charge Q. I'll repeat, this is a convenient expression. If we consider one point at infinity and the other point at a convenient distance from the charge Q. That's it. बघा हा. Change in potential energy is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught 1 upon R2 minus 1 upon R1. As the distance increases, potential energy decreases. At R1 equal to infinity, potential energy becomes totally zero. कारण वाढत वाढत शेवटी ते 0 होतं. Change in potential energy is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught divided by R2. Ends the job here. आता units of potential energy, very easy. What are the units of potential energy, students? Energy कुठच्याही फॉर्म मध्ये असली तर SI unit is joule. कळतंय? What is the unit of electrostatic potential energy? Obviously it is joule. What is 1 joule? It is the work done to move a unit positive charge. What is the meaning? Unit positive चा अर्थ काय? Unit means whose value is 1. Positive means whose polarity is plus. So, unit SI unit of potential energy, since it is energy, it is joule. 1 joule is the total electrostatic work done when a unit positive charge is moved from one point to another. Unit positive charge is moved from one point to another where the potential difference is 1 volt. I'll repeat, joule is the unit of potential energy, no doubt. 1 joule is the total energy gained by the charge, or total energy stored in the charge, potential energy stored in the charge when it moves from one point to another whose potential difference is 1 volt. That's it. There is one more unit to measure potential energy, students, of particles, elementary particles. Elementary particles म्हणजे काय? Protons, neutrons, electrons and all that. There is another unit which is called electron volt. E small लिहायचं, V capital लिहायचं. What is electron volt? It is the unit of energy. Actually electron volt ही unit of energy आहे to measure the energy of small particles which are called as the elementary particles. Simple. 1 electron volt म्हणजे काय? It is the kinetic change in the kinetic energy. 1 electron volt is what? It is a change in kinetic energy of the electron when it moves from one point to another where the potential difference is 1 volt. I'll repeat. Units of potential energy joule. 1 joule is the total energy, potential energy stored in the charge when it moves from one point to another where the potential difference is 1 volt. Electron volt is the unit of energy to measure the energy of elementary particles like electrons, protons, neutrons, positrons, kaons, pions, etc. 1 electron volt is the total change in the kinetic energy when the particle moves from one point to another where the potential difference is 1 volt. What is the relation? Important. What is the relation between joule and electron volt? 1 electron volt, I'll put it like this. 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 joule. So, joule हे ऐसा युनिट आहे आणि इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट हे आपल्याला प्रॅक्टिकली वापरावं लागतं. What is the relation between joule and electron volt? 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 joule. Ends the job. झालं. There is one more. आता 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 joule ना 1 milli electron volt. Milli म्हणजे 10 raised to minus 3. 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 3 joule. Total किती झालं? 1 milli electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 22 joule. Similarly, 1 kV electron volt, kilo, milliचा उलटा kilo. 1 kilo electron volt is equal to what? 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 multiplied by 10 raised to 3. Total 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 16 joule. So, these are the following units. Joule SI unit, which is the total 1 joule, is the energy, potential energy gained by the electron when it particle or the charge when it moves from one point to another where the potential difference is 1 volt. Electron volt is the unit of energy of elementary particles like protons, neutrons, electrons. 1 electron volt is the change in the kinetic energy of the electron when it moves from one point to another where the potential difference is 1 volt. 1 electron volt आणि joule मध्ये कसं connection? 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 joule. Milli electron volt ला -3 ने मल्टिप्लाय करायचं, किलो इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट ला +3 ने मल्टिप्लाय करायचं and so on and so forth. That's it. Students, मी हा रिलेशन परत वापरणार. I'll use those relations again and we will obtain a very important relation just for 2 marks in the exams. I will tell you what it is. Concentrate. Here, listen carefully. Look into that. What is potential energy? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Instead of Q, I will write it as Q1, Q2 divided by R. Any objection? Instead of selecting the charge as Q and Q naught, I will select the charges as Q1 and Q2 and let them be separated by distance R. Okay. Okay. Therefore, नीट ऐका. Potential energy, मी मुद्दाम वर्ड्स मध्ये लिहिते हा. Potential energy is equal to what? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 upon R bracket Q2. उल्टा लिया नाहीतर or is also equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 upon R into Q1. Did I bring any changes to the equation? No. So potential energy is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 upon R Q2 and vice versa. What is this term? This term is called as potential. BR. Okay, potential energy. 1/4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 divided by R is potential multiplied by charge. Potential energy is either equal to VR 1/4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 upon R is equal to VR1 घेऊया, which is also equal to VR2 into Q1. Means potential energy is potential. This expression is called as electrostatic potential. Potential energy is electrostatic potential multiplied by charge. So potential energy is what? Potential multiplied by charge. Therefore, students, what is potential? Is potential energy upon charge. What is potential? Potential energy upon charge. What is this called as? Electrostatic potential. खूप important आहे मुलांनो. Electrostatic potential is electrostatic potential energy divided by charge. हे बघा किती easy आहे. Okay, I'll repeat. Potential energy is 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 divided by R. Separate केलं. Q1 upon R potential, Q2 upon R potential. Okay. Potential energy is potential multiplied by charge. Therefore, electrostatic potential is potential energy upon charge. Ends the story. कळतंय? हे असे पॉइंट्स आहेत. आता व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट रिलेशन, एक टेक्स्टबुकमध्ये ॲक्च्युली तो डायग्राम दिला नाही, थोडं रफ तुम्हाला काढता येणार, तर तुम्हाला सगळं डोक्यावरून जाणार म्हणून. इज दिस पॉइंट क्लिअर टू यू? ओके, वी विल एस्टॅब्लिश व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट रिलेशन. खूप इझी आहे पण ते. Relation important. Relation between electric field and electric field and electric potential. What we are going to do here? We are going to establish the relation between electric field and electric potential. How we are going to do? एक तुम्हाला पहिला idea देते. Let me say this as charge point O. Let me say this as a point M, which is at a distance of R. Okay. Let me say Q is the charge located at point O. Unit positive charge is located at a point M. N is another point which is at a distance dx. That's it. काही मोठं नाही. नीट आहे का? 11th standard. Consider a charge Q placed in a medium of permittivity epsilon at point O. This charge Q produces an electric field around it. Very easy. हा चार्ज कडे लक्ष द्या. याचा काही संबंध येत नाही. Consider a charge Q placed at a point O in a medium at point O. It creates an electric field around it. Let M be a point at a distance R from the charge Q. Consider a unit positive charge. Unit positive charge means unit means 1, positive means whose polarity is plus. Consider a unit positive charge at point M. Okay. Then the electric field, which is called strength of the electric field, which is called electric intensity. The electric intensity at point M due to the charge Q is equal to what? 1/4 pi epsilon naught into Q upon R. Students, this is the electric field here. If the unit positive charge, this is the force experienced by the unit positive charge, त्याला electric intensity म्हणतात. टेक्स्टबुक मध्ये F दिले ते. हा चार्ज Q है, हा एक पॉइंट M है, which is at a distance of R from the charge Q. I am interested in calculating the relation between electric field intensity and potential. How do we do it? For that, consider a unit positive charge at point M. okay, at a distance r, then electric field intensity at point m, ह्या जी काय त्याच्यावर ताकद वापरली जाते, strength of the electric field is this. समजा the unit positive charge is moved through a distance. What is the direction of electric field intensity? This will be the direction. समजा if the unit positive charge is moved from point m to point n through a distance dx. Obviously we have to, because electric intensity is experiencing a force of repulsion. Electric intensity is experiencing a force of repulsion. समजा if the charge q naught is to be brought from point m to point n through a distance dx, I have to perform work. Work against what? Work against the electrostatic force. त्याच्यासाठी आपण काय करूया? W is equal to minus E into dx. Where does the work done go? Where does the work done go? Students, work done is stored in the form of potential. We'll put it like this. Where does the work done go? It is minus E into dx. Work done minus E into dx. Okay. Where does the work done go? It is stored in the form of potential energy minus E into dx. Okay. Therefore, look here. This is work done, electrostatic potential. Therefore, what is E? E is equal to dV. We can write here dV. Now why? I will repeat. dV by dx with a negative sign. I'll repeat it again. O is a point in a medium. Q is the charge located, test charge Q located at point O. Let M be a point at a distance r from the point O. The direction of the electric intensity at point M due to this unit positive charge which experiences a force of repulsion is this. The electric intensity at point M is this. Expression हे कुठे शिकलाय? तर हे 11th standard मध्ये येतं students. Nothing international here. R square येतं. Electric intensity. Whose direction is this? What is electric intensity? The strength of the electric field, which is a vector and whose direction is as shown. If the unit positive charge is to be moved from point M to point N through a distance dx, we have to perform work which is given by work done is electric intensity multiplied by the distance here. Okay, electric intensity multiplied by distance. Okay, fine. Work done ala minus E into dx. This work done is put here like this. Potential difference upon R. मगाशीच तुम्हाला शिकवले. Work done is potential energy here. Potential energy upon R is work done. Therefore, मला सांगा potential energy upon R म्हणजे dV which is equal to minus E into dx. Work done is potential energy. Potential energy upon R is potential which is equal to minus dV into minus E into dx, which is the relation between electric potential and electric intensity. Parat revise. This is the electric intensity at point M. If the unit positive charge is to be moved from point M to point N through a distance dx, I have to perform work. Work upon distance is potential energy upon distance, which is electrostatic potential, which is minus E into dx. That's it. झालं. Your job is over. करते मला ना? Okay. उद्या derivations घ्यायचे आपल्याला. I'll take up chemistry and then again physics. ठीक है? We'll stop for today. चलो.